Hi guys, Irina here and welcome back to my channel where I review everything tech. Today, let's open the box with the brand new Xiaomi 12 Lite and let's get straight to the unboxing. So, in the envelope, we get a SIM tool. As usual, there are a bunch of papers, a quick start guide, safety information, and a warranty card. And also, this clear case is included in the box, which is always nice. Okay, then wrapping kinda didn't go to plan. Let me just get rid of all this. By the way, I've noticed that Xiaomi stopped using plastic wraps. It's paper now, which is very nice in terms of recycling. Wow, I must say this finish looks so pretty. It's called light pink. You could also get this phone in light green and black. I wonder how the light green finish looks in person, since it seemed very pretty in the photos. Next, in the box we get this 67-watt charger, and a USB-A to USB-C cable. I like the shape of this phone. I like that the frame of this phone is flat-edged. Does it remind me of the shape of an iPhone? Yes, but who cares? It's pretty lightweight and slim, so this phone feels very comfortable in my hand. The gradient on the back of this phone is very beautiful. So in terms of design, I have very positive impressions of this phone. By the way, let's put the case on it. Very easy to put it on, that's good. I don't like the cases where I always have to struggle with it. As you can see, this case is very minimalistic and slim. I like how grippy it is. So yeah, this is a very nice thing that they include the case in the box. We have a 6.55-inch AMOLED dot display with 120Hz refresh rate. This phone has a 4300 mAh battery. It's powered by Snapdragon 778G. This particular unit has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, but there are other configurations available. The Xiaomi 12 Lite has a triple camera, including the main camera, the ultra-wide camera, and the macro camera. And now let's talk in more detail about the camera of this phone, and let's start from the beginning. Here we have the Pro mode, where you could manually change all the settings such as the white balance, ISO, focus, and so on. Switching to the video mode, and as you can see, you can take up to 4K videos. You can enable the macro mode and take macro videos, but the resolution will be limited to 720p. You have quick access to some zoom options here, but keep in mind that for the ultra-wide camera, the resolution will be limited to 1080p 30 frames per second. In the photo mode, as you can see, we also get quick access to some zoom options, including the ultra-wide camera. We get the macro mode and the tilt shift mode, which is usually pretty good for some city-style photos. Switching to the portrait mode, and of course, you could adjust the aperture, making the bokeh look more or less pronounced. Also, there are some filters and beautifying features. Then we have the night mode, which comes in handy when you take photos in low light. And aside from these basic modes I've just shown you guys, as you can see, there are also a lot of other creative modes like slow motion, time-lapse, long exposure, dual video. Well, I would say I've already seen all of these modes on the previous Xiaomi models, so I'm pretty sure you're already familiar with them. So let's move on and I'll show you some photo and video samples I've taken with the Xiaomi 12 Lite. And now I'm testing the sound quality and the video quality on the front camera of the Xiaomi 12 Lite. So what do you think, guys? That's all for this video, guys. Stay tuned for my in-depth review of the Xiaomi 12 Lite. Also, let me know if you have any questions about this phone, so I'll cover them in my upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.